watuonyeshe mali wamekata hii, because if we have got all the reasons to believe.
Kweli sisi tumekubali kutoka kwa forest. Wale watu wetu wako forest, familia ambayo waliingia forest tangu 1996 kwa sababu ya insecurity, wamekubali kutoka huku ili tuwashe forest ianze kuwa kama forest, kwa sababu pia hii Kirisia forest imekuwa declared kama water tower.
We were led by one of the suspects to the homestead where the timber was removed from. We found timber material, and fortunately or unfortunately, the owner of the household was not around. We inquired information from the children that this material has been sourced without following the government procedures. With that, up to now, that material, it is assumed that it is illegally acquired, and the driver, upon completing our investigation, we will assume that this person is holding material, he is in possession of material without proper documentation.